If you've heard the hype about artificial intelligence, you might imagine a world where robots handle all our chores and computers anticipate our every need. While some of that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, the truth is that AI is already here, and it's quietly making our daily routines a whole lot easier. Welcome back, and thanks for joining me as we explore the very real, very practical ways that AI is simplifying everyday tasks. If you enjoy learning about how innovation intersects with ordinary life, consider subscribing. Your support helps us continue diving into the ways technology can make a genuine difference. First off, let's clear up a myth. AI isn't just about giant corporations running massive data centers or futuristic robotics labs building androids. A lot of today's AI operates behind the scenes in everyday apps and devices. Take something as simple as your smartphone keyboard. Most of us have used predictive text or autocorrect, but machine learning actually drives those features. It analyzes countless text inputs to understand which words frequently follow each other, helping you type faster and more accurately. Some apps even learn your personal style, so if you tend to use slang or code switch between languages, your phone starts anticipating that too. Speaking of your phone, you've probably seen AI in photo apps that sort pictures by location, date, or even subject, like recognizing faces or labeling pets. Ever wonder how your camera seems to stabilize shaky videos or automatically enhance lighting when you take a photo in low light conditions? That's AI as well, learning on the fly how to make each shot look better. We often overlook how much computing power is packed into these handy features because they are so seamlessly integrated into our daily habits. Now, step outside your home or office. Traffic navigation tools, like Google Maps or Waze, also rely on AI to monitor conditions, suggest alternate routes, and estimate arrival times. They piece together data from millions of drivers who have the app open. Over time, the system learns when certain roads get clogged and adapts predictions in real time. The result is that a trip that might have been an unpredictable slog 10 years ago is now fairly routine. Your GPS even warns you of random construction or accidents before you get stuck. That's AI quietly saving you from morning headaches. Another practical domain is email. For many of us, spam and cluttered inboxes are a constant problem. Modern email services use machine learning to learn which emails are truly important and which are junk, filtering out spam with impressive precision. Some platforms also use AI to suggest automated smart replies or highlight the parts of a message that most likely need your attention. While these might sound like minor conveniences, they add up over time, freeing you from weeding through spam or typing repetitive responses. Let's talk about AI in the kitchen. Smart home gadgets are getting better at automating everyday tasks. Connected fridges can track expiration dates, alert you when you're running low on milk, or suggest recipes based on what you have. Voice assistants, like Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant, now integrate with recipe apps that walk you through step-by-step instructions, adjusting for your dietary restrictions or the number of people you're cooking for. If you're short on time, an AI-powered meal planning service might analyze your week's schedule, your family's food preferences, and your budget to propose meal ideas, complete with a grocery list. Suddenly, figuring out what's for dinner doesn't feel like such a chore. Of course, the rise of AI for everyday tasks often comes with worries about job displacement or privacy violations. It's easy to picture a future where humans are sidelined in favor of automated systems. But in many current scenarios, AI is less about replacing people and more about augmenting our abilities. For instance, digital calendars can suggest the best time to schedule a meeting, factoring in your peak productivity hours and travel times between locations. That doesn't replace a personal assistant or your own judgment. It just streamlines the scheduling process so you can focus on more meaningful work. What about the concern that AI is always listening? Voice assistants do, in fact, require microphones to be active, but they're generally in a low-power wake mode, only capturing data when you use a wake word like "Hey Google" or "Alexa." Still, it's important to read the privacy policies of any device or app you use, because data collection varies from service to service. Some systems allow you to limit data usage or delete stored recordings. Exercising caution and configuring your settings is key if you want the benefits of AI without sacrificing too much privacy. Then there's the notion that AI might homogenize our experiences, making everyone's day-to-day life feel the same. But it can also encourage creativity and personalization. For instance, music streaming services like Spotify use machine learning to generate playlists specifically for you based on your listening habits. They can uncover new artists or genres you'd never have discovered on your own. In this sense, AI actually expands your horizons, showing you more of the world that aligns with your unique preferences. A final point to keep in mind is that AI, for all its sophistication, is not magic. It's a set of algorithms that depend on data. If your data is incomplete or misleading, the AI's recommendations won't be accurate. That's why you might sometimes see a bizarre product suggestion or a questionable autocompletion in your text messages. The tech is constantly evolving, and as it learns from more diverse, high-quality data, its performance improves. But it's always worth keeping a healthy skepticism. Sometimes, a system's intelligence is only as good as the data it's fed. If you enjoyed seeing how AI weaves into daily tasks in ways both convenient and impressive, you might also like our previous video, I tried letting AI handle my finances. There, we put AI-powered budgeting apps and investment platforms to the test, seeing if they could manage money better than the average human. Together, these videos paint a picture of a future where fundamental human needs, like finance, health, relationships, and yes, even cooking, become more manageable thanks to AI's helping hand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this exploration of AI in everyday life has cleared up some misconceptions while showing you that the future really is here. It might not be a world of flying cars and robot butlers just yet, but the tools we do have are, in their own way, pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into how AI shapes our routines. And as always, stay curious. We'll see you in the next video.